May tanyag tayong kasabihan. Kung ano ang binabasa mo at nakikita mo, kung anong klaseng tao ang kinakasama mo, magiging yun ka. Kaya't mag-ingat ka kung anong pinapakain mo sa isipan mo. Everything you think will shape your life. What you do today will shape your future. Kaya't kung gusto mong baguhin ang sitwasyon mo, baguhin mo muna kung paano ka mag-isip. Umiwas ka sa mga taong walang pangarap sa buhay. The people you hang around with, the people you listen to, the opinions you believe will shape your reality. All the toxic information you take in will hurt your future. All the positive information you take in will affect your future to the highest level. Your mind is so powerful that it will accept all things you take in. Whatever the cost, you will see the effect. Even the foods you eat will affect your energy level. Lahat ng negatibong bagay na nasa isipan mo ay lalabas sa realidad ng iyong buhay. Huwag kang magtataka kung bakit nahihirapan ka sa buhay mo. Dahil yan sa mga negatibong pumapasok sa isipan mo na pinaniniwalaan mo. Learn how to control your thoughts, not the other way around. All the things you feed your mind, whether it's positive or negative, will shape your future. If you eat garbage, what do you think will happen to you? You know the answer. Commit to feed your mind with successful thoughts and surround yourself with those who have the same ambition. Kahit saan ka kumuha ng impormasyon, magbasa ka man, manood ka man, it really doesn't matter as long as you feed your mind with positive information. Show some discipline to yourself. Separate yourself from the rest. Learn more than the rest. Work harder and smarter than the rest. Do your work today and enjoy later. Kung hindi mo lilinisin ang isipan mo, wala kang maaasahan na pagbabago sa iyong buhay. Don't let negative thoughts rot your whole life. All you do today will dictate your future. Your future self is begging you to learn now. Kung gusto mo ng maayos na pamumuhay, mag-ingat ka sa mga impormasyon na kinukuha mo. If you want to be successful, then learn how to feed your mind with success thoughts. If you want to be healthy, put healthy foods in. If you want to be happy, then feel happy thoughts in your mind. For every action, there is always an equal or opposite reaction. Make sure you're feeding your mind with success. If your mind is strong, you will be strong. If your thoughts are strong, if your beliefs are strong, your life will become strong. Sabi nila hindi mo kaya, kaya mo. Sabi nila hindi mo gagawin, gawin mo. Sabi nila hindi ka karapat-dapat, yes you do. You're limitless. You are. You are. Ang lahat-lahat ay makakaya mo. Stop limiting yourself because you are limitless. Gusto ko lang na malaman mo na lahat ng hadlang sa harapan mo ay nanggagaling lahat sa isipan mo. Linisin mo ang kalat sa isipan mo at ang buhay mo ay magbabago. Change for the better. Be the best version of yourself. Be better than yesterday. You are limitless.